This is the dustpan that you don't have to bin.
My goodness.
You use the dustpan and the broom standing up. It's time to assemble. Did you read the instruction?
There's no instruction.
I think that's extra, no? Dustpan with the handle, guys. This is a dustpan with the handle.
One's for the broom, and then the other one's for the.
That's a long one.
I know one's for the broom.
Mm. Merry Christmas to me. Now, put the broom into the handle. Okay, now assemble the dustpan. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, this is how you do it. You don't have to bin. Put all the trash inside. Ta-da! You don't have to bin over to pick up this. I call that laziness, but bending is exercise also. But this way, when your back is hurting, you don't have to bend. If you have this dustpan, you don't need to worry. Ta-da! And then close it like that. Just like that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. Thank you for watching.